This is a switch repair demonstration for 4-gallon Shop Vac Model E87S450. I was using my Shop Vac at home, and when I attempted to shut it off by pressing the off button, I felt the switch break. The Shop Vac stayed on and worked just fine, but the only way that I could turn it on or off was to plug it in or out of the wall socket. What actually happened was the wingtip adapter, circled in blue, on top of the switch broke after years of use, and that is the reason why the Shop Vac was stuck in the on position and could only be turned off by unplugging the cord from the outlet. Fortunately, the actual switch underneath was just fine and didn't need to be replaced. So in order to repair my Shop Vac, all that I needed to do was replace the broken winged adapter on top of the switch. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and visit my channel to watch the full video.